Hi everyone, welcome back from cadnqs. Today I'm gonna explain you about dynamic block. The content is here as you see. The first one is flip and then rotate, and the last one is scale dynamic block. Okay, let's get started. I created some dynamic blocks as you see here, and then I create one more, this one. Firstly, I want to show you some sample of dynamic block. As an example, this one. You click on it, then you will see the symbol of dynamic block. This symbol means visibility. You see, this one is like a triangle shape. This symbol and this symbol look like similar, but actually different. You see, this is like a triangular shape, but this one is like a triangular shape. Then you can see a line above the triangular shape. Okay, this is visibility, and this one is stretch. Then I will show some more. This is alignment. It helps us our object to align with the drawing. Then I will go some more. You can see the arrow. You can flip the door left side or right side. Then you can flip inside or outside also. The last one, this symbol represents the stretch. This symbol and this symbol are same. If you see the stretch symbol, you can adjust the size of the object. Now I will adjust the size of the object. Okay, I can make it smaller or bigger. When I click on the stretch symbol, you can see some line. You can see some line beside the crosshair. It means the size of the object is limited already. We cannot adjust the object size as we wish. You see here, I can stretch until here only. I cannot go up some more. This is the bigger size. Likewise, this one also smaller size. I cannot go down some more. Then you see this one. You can predefine the width of the door also. You see two number of line. It means the size of the width is predefined already. This is visibility. Then click on it. Then you can choose as you wish. The door is 30-degree open. Then you can choose 60-degree open. This is 90-degree, and if you want to close, you can close also. Now you see how good the dynamic block is. When you create the archi drawing for door or window or something like this, you can use the dynamic block. It can help you a lot and it can save the time also. But for my today's tutorial, I will not explain how to create this one. I will explain the dynamic block by using other drawing. You see this one? You can adjust the size by stretching. Then, moreover, you can rotate the object also. In this drawing, you can flip. Okay, the arrow should be this side. This is rotate. Okay, let's see how to create them. Firstly, I will explode this one. I will create a block as usual. Be under for block. I will type the name arrow. Then click on big point. I will put it here. Then select object. I will select the object. You need to click on the checkbox as you see here. Then click on OK. Firstly, you need to set the parameter. Then you need to action the object. I will click on the parameter tab. Click on flip. You see the command line specifying base point or reflection line. I will put the base point, supposing at the center of the arrow. I don't mean to do exactly. What I want to see is just estimation. So I will put it here. Supposing this is center of the arrow. Then I will click here. Okay, parameter finish ready. After that, I need to take action. Click on action tab. Then click on flip. You see the command box. Select parameter. This is the parameter, right? That's why you need to click on the parameter. Then you see the command box. Select objects. So I will select the object including parameter. Then press enter or right click of the mouse. If you see this symbol, the action is done already. Let's try to test. Okay, alright. Flip action is okay, but I have one thing to modify because of this one. This side is okay. When I flip to other side, the base point left here. In fact, I want this point to follow with the head. Now what I need to do is go to parameter, click on base point, click on the head of the arrow. Now I want to add this base point to this selection. So I want to modify, click on the symbol of the flip, then right click on it. Then you will see action selection set. If you want to modify, you click on it. If you want to make new selection, click on it. If you want to delete the action, you can click on delete also. Okay, now I want to modify, so click on modify. Now you see the command box. If you want to add something to action set, you can add. If you want to take off something, you can click on remove. Now I want to add this piece point to this selection set, so I will click on the piece point. Then press enter. Okay, let's try to test. Click on it. Then okay, now the arrow and base point go together while I flick the object. That's fine already. I will click on the close test block. If you want to save, you can click on here also. Then close block editor. Okay, let's try to flip the object. Alright, that's all for flip action. Now I want you to try this one to make the flip action. Because if you show the arrow to right direction, this symbol also need to flip to the right direction, right? So you try to test this one. I will leave you for you. Homework. I will show you another one. I will click on isolator and I click on it. Now you can see flip. All working procedure are same, so I leave it for you. This one homework. If you have some questions, you can leave comment. I will go to another one. Okay, this is the different case. You can see the cycle symbol. This one meaning is rotation. I will off the auto by pressing F8 or otherwise you can click on here. Okay, so auto off already. I will show you how to create this one. Firstly, I will explode the block. Okay, I will create the block as usual. I will type B under for block. Then I will type the name, get isolator. Click on the clip point. I will put it here. Then select object. I will select everything. Press enter. You need to on the chop out as you see here. Then click on OK. To create the rotation dynamic block, you need to set the parameter first, like other dynamic block. So I will click on the parameter tab first. Then you see rotation. Click on it. Then you see the command box specifying piece point. I will show the piece point here. I will click on the cycle and you can see the center map. Click on it. Then you see the command box specifying radius of parameter. You can adjust the size as you wish. Okay, I will put it here. Specifying default rotation angle. This rotation angle is no problem. You can choose as you wish. I will type 0. Later, if you want to change the angle degree, you no need to worry. You just select on it. Then you press the Ctrl 1 for property box. Go to property box and go down. You see the geometry. You can set the value here. Angle value, I will make it suppose 90 degree. Now you see 90 degree. But I will make it 0 only. If you want to change the base angle, you can type here. Base angle meaning is starting point. Okay, suppose you want to start from 30 degree, so press 30 enter. Now you see it start from 30 degree. Suppose I will make the angle 180. Okay, now you see start from 30 degree and go until 180 degree. When you finish the parameter, you need to take action. Go to action, then click on rotate. Then you see the command box select parameter. This cycle is the parameter, right? So click on it. Then you see the command box select object. Then you need to select the object that you want to rotate. Then press enter. Let's try to test the block. Click on it. Select the object. Then I will try it. Alright. But in this dynamic block, I want to make some adjustment. When you open or close the door, okay, as an example. In reality, this one open, this one close, right? So I will give some increment value. I will close the test block and select the parameter. Then go down. you will see the value set. In this location, I need to choose the increment. Angle increment, I will make it 90 degree, press enter. I will not give the value for this one. Let's try to test. Okay, now alright already. So close the test block, close block editor, save the changes. That's all for rotation, and let's go to the last drawing. Firstly, I will explode the dynamic block. So the command is under. Firstly, I will create the block as usual. Be under for block. Then the name is compass. Click on pinpoint. Select object. Select the whole object. Press enter. Then you need to check the bound as you see here. Then click on it. Firstly, I will go to parameter. Then click on linear. Show the first point and second point. Then move up and click in some place. If you want to show one point only, you can select the parameter and go to property. Then the last one, number of grid, click on it. Then you choose the one. If you see the exclamation mark, yellow color one, meaning is you need to take action for this parameter. So click on the action and click on scale. Then you see the command box, select parameter. So click on the parameter, then select object. Then press enter. If you see this symbol, meaning is the action is done already. Trying to see the test block. Okay, it's alright. Then close the test block. Key action is done already, but my dynamic block doesn't finish yet. I want to create one more action, that is the rotation. A few minutes ago, I already showed you how to create the rotate dynamic block. This is the second time. If you see two times, you can remember move and move. Go to parameter, then click on rotation. You see the command box specifying base point. I will click on the center of the compass. You see specify radius of parameter. So I will put it here. This radius is never mind. You need to define the rotation angle. I will make it 0. Press enter. Later, if you want to adjust the rotation angle value, you can adjust in property box. Firstly, you need to click on the rotation parameter. Then you go to property box and go down, and you can see the geometry. Now you can go to value set and you can set the value here. You can go to geometry and you can set the angle value here. But in this time, I don't set any angle. Value. Now you can see the yellow exclamation mark. It means you need to take action for this parameter. So click on action tab, then click on rotation. You see the command box, select parameter. So click on the parameter first, then you see select object. I will select the object including parameter. Press enter. Now you can see the rotation symbol. So let's try to test is okay or not. Click on test block. If your object is very far from you, you can double click on the mouse wheel. It is also a kind of zone. Rotation action is okay already, but I want to modify one more thing. Because when you stretch the object, you see the rotation symbol, it doesn't go together with the object. I want this symbol go together with the object. So I will close the test. I will make some modification. Why happen like this? The reason is, you see this one. When I make selection for this key parameter, this rotation symbol not include in this selection. That's why this issue happened. So I want to add this symbol in this selection set. Click on the symbol, right click on it. I want to make modification, so click on action selection set and click on modification. Now you see the command box. It is very simple. Select object to add to action set. I need to select the object that I want to add to the selection set. So I want to add this symbol. So I just simply click on it. Very simple. Then press enter. Then let's try to test the object. Select the object. Click on the scale symbol. Right click on it. Click on action. Then click on modify selection set. Then you see the command box. select object to add to action set. That is very simple. I need to add some object to add to the selection set. I want to add this symbol to selection set. So it is very simple. I just select the symbol that I want to add, then press enter. Alright, let's go to test. Then select the object. Okay, now alright already. When I stretch the object, this rotation symbol also go together with the object. Okay, it's alright. So I will close the test block, then save the block, and close. That's all for today's tutorial, and I will put the link in the description. I will attach this drawing. I will put the link in the description for this drawing. I hope you will enjoy the lesson, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye.